Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I got all dressed and like did my makeup for once, and we're not going anywhere because we're in a blizzard warning tonight, and we already have so much snow. Like we have like 6 feet of snow. And I saw this meme thing. It said, if you're from Boston, I feel bad for you, son. You got 73 inches and you're still not done. It's funny. But look at all the snow we have. It looks so bright, if you can tell. Look, you just look out the window and bam, a ton of snow. And we're supposed to get like 12 to 18 inches or something, and it's gonna be like a level 2 hurricane, or I don't know. But I thought I'd wear this bright shirt since the weather is not good. Oh, and I have to show you this car. This car has been out here for, well, since February. Since beginning of February when all the snowstorms started. And it's completely buried. And it's a van, I think, or like a SUV. You can see a little bit of it poking out. But I don't know where the people are. And you can't even tell how much snow we have out there because plows got rid of it. But yeah, we have to go grocery shopping, so that's the only place we're going today. And hopefully it's not packed since it's Valentine's Day and the storm's coming, so we shall see.
I'm wondering, I have been working out.
You're so cute. He smiled when you did that. Do you have your balloon? Be mine. Happy Valentine's Day, baby. You say mama? Yeah. Yeah. Now dada? Say dada? Kayden, dada? I don't have that on camera. Dada. Da-da-da-da. Mum. You're so stinking cute.
Hang on.
Are you being difficult? Are you being difficult? Hey, he is so hard to change now. Like, it's crazy. Especially when he does a poopy diaper. Taylor got a haircut. Doesn't it look great? I'm vlogging, okay? This is our Valentine's Day vlog.
Yeah.
Nice face. He looks 10 years younger. Are you gonna get a haircut? No. Future Mr. Right, you're so cute. And I gave up on my hair because I just can't deal with it. And the blizzard is starting. My voice keeps cracking. Look out the window. You can't even really tell. But we're about to go to the store finally. We were gonna go before his nap, but he got cranky and stuff like that. And stuff like that and stuff. He's gonna wear his Patriots pants because we are the champions of the world. And this is what it looks like outside. Oh, look at the icicles on that house. You see them? Oh, and there's that car. Closer view. What do you think, cutie pie? Huh, babies? And it's going to snow until when?
Sunday sometime.
Yeah. Look at that thing. And we were talking about like, what if there was a person in there? That'd be messed up. But look at those icicles, if you can see them. They're trying to look really pretty. There's Taylor's car. He's got to clean it off. All the snowbanks. You can tell. You can't really tell, and it's a bumpy ride. This boy is eating the shopping list. How are we going to know what to get? I'm not going to be able to get your yogurt melts. You. Stop eating that. Are you teething or something? Taylor's picking out some pasta sides. Look how many they have. Like so many to choose from. And it's pretty busy. This grocery store is usually not that busy, but it's like the busiest it has been today. Yeah, everyone's preparing for the blizzard. Hey, Kayden.
Hey.
You trying to get out?
Hey.
He's so cute. He's so cute. You guys want some apple dapples or some confruity crisp? I like the names of them. Some fruit rings where... Oh, I thought it was like a knockoff. The knockoff names are funny. Oh, hey there. Hey there, cutie bear.
Some toaster pastries.
What are those? I've never tried these. Have you ever tried a milk straw? Wonder how it is. Look at the little xylophone. He already has one. Excuse you.
Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23.
This is what Kayden got me. Mom always on my mind, forever in my heart, and it says it on the necklace. How cute. And this little boy wants to get into the bathroom because he wants to play with the toilet. Oh, and I love this song. This song is me and Taylor's song. Well, it's like my song for him because when we first started dating back in 2009, when I was 19, I used to play that song on repeat and think of him when I'd play it. Like I had a playlist of songs that I used to play over and over. And he's separating some meat. Yeah, because he's a meathead. What are you doing? You going to see Daddy? Say Dada. Dada? Say Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Are you going to crawl? No, you prefer to scoot, huh? Here he comes. He's going to get into trouble. No, you don't play with those cords. So it's the next day, and we're in the middle. Well, we're probably at the end of like the blizzard, and look how much snow is outside the window now. Look, there's the bottom of the window. Let me move the curtain. It's so freaking insane. Like, what? Oh my gosh. And we're still not done. It's not going to stop until tomorrow. Oh, and don't mind that. Oh, that thing's so annoying. I took out the battery and it's still beeping. Look, there's no battery in it, so I don't know what the heck. But it was driving me crazy last night when I was trying to sleep. Oh, and we didn't have heat. We ran out of heat. I mean, we ran out of oil. And it's back now, but it was really cold last night. It stinked. And Taylor's fixing the bed. Right? Because he broke it.
Hey.
He knows the camera's on.
Hey, buddy.
Are you going to see me? Oh, man. What are you doing? You look so cute. Did you say they remind you of Ethan?
House yet today?
My name's Ethan. What?
Did a tornado hit you?
Excuse you?
What are you doing? What are you? Is he pushing you?
Yeah, he's being rude.
What are you doing, honey? Can you see him?
Kayden. KK.
He's going in his house. That's his house. Birthday girl. How does it feel to be
Is that your
60?
cousin?
Oh, wonderful.
Sweet 60. You don't look a day over 59.
I know.
I know, I already said that one.
Yes.
Oh, you look so...
But you can touch me.
We all have the
You can touch me,
cameras.
but I can't touch you. I see how this
I
relationship is.
don't know if that's why he got upset. Because he got upset when you left.
Yeah, I think he said I left, and he's like, no, now I don't even want you here.
You're so cute, buddy.
What you got, baby? What's that?
He's looking at you.
Hi, sweetie.
Looking at you like, can you get me out of this thing, please?
Hi.
I like it. No.
I've never seen you in that chair before.
Keep on forgetting about that's behind there.
There is just too much cuteness going on right now. Oh, cutie pies. Even though you guys don't look alike at all, but you are related.
So still us. He blinked. And I didn't. I know they don't look related.
Kayden, do you like your cousin?
Oh,
Here's my mom's cake, and I did it all by myself, of course. No, just kidding. And Heather got a new job at Five Below. You spitting? What are you eating me? But it looks cute. I like the color. All I did was the 60, and I messed it up. It's like a square zero. It's red velvet and German chocolate. We're gonna make a little video for Nana. Happy Mother's Day. Tell her thank you. I'm like, I have the camera. I got my mommy this clock that's above you. Because I'm doing it.
Why I thought that was always there.
Ethan, are you helping babysit? Look at his messy bedhead. Hi, Ethan. Look at you looking right at the camera. Oh, you be careful. Don't shake him too hard, honey. Sorry, Ethan. He didn't mean it. He thinks that you're enjoying this. No, I gotta hold it. Oh, you be careful, honey. Your cousin's trying to go to sleep. Sorry, Ethan. You'll get used to his obnoxiousness. You going sleepy, honey? Yeah, you're so tired. What are you doing? No, you be careful. Hey, monkey. Hi, monkey. What are you doing? What are you doing? You getting into everything? Sorry, Ethan. I know he's bothering you. I'm so sorry about that. Hi, cutie. No, you have to say it. Oh, I tried to put it on sneakily. Can't look at all that snow. Oh, you can't even tell. Oh. Oh. Here. You film, okay? You film. You film. Vlog, okay? Say what's on your mind. You're holding it sideways.